Yo, what up, everybody? Figure I'd make a video cleaning up the seats on the 64. Kind of already got cracking on it. Here's the back seats. They're dried or drying. Cleaned underneath the seat as well. Got it looking super clean. I did the top of the driver's seat. And now I just got to do the bottom of the driver's seat. It's kind of boring. It's kind of loud. That's why I really ain't taping it. Here's the seat. Much better. It's pretty much all dry now. Had a pretty good size stain right there and some other little stains throughout it, but now it's got a nice even color to it. Getting ready to put that back in, so I figured I would show you guys what's going on and give you guys an update. I might just do a small clip on the cleaning process just to give you an idea of what's going on. Using this crappy little Biscayne thing my buddy lent to me. The trigger part doesn't work, but I'll make it do with some degreaser and a Fabuloso and a scrub brush. It's coming out nice though. Probably gonna smell a whole lot better inside of here with that Fabuloso. Kind of a Mexican car is it if it ain't get clean with Fabuloso though, right? But anyways, get back. So first I'll spray on some of this cleaner. About out of this. This is just Fabuloso and some Dawn. I don't put too much on there. And then I spray this on there. This is Power Clean. I'll just put that on there just a little bit, like that. Then I grab my soapy water and my brush. And then I just go over it like this. And just wash it on up. And then after that, dip my water in here again. Kind of rinse it. Get it extra wet. Then I go back with this little machine. And that's the process that I did on all the seats. And once it finishes and dries, I'll give you guys a shot. But it's pretty much gonna look like this one. This one's all dry now. Been sitting out here in the sun for a couple hours. Looks great. So I'm gonna keep pulling some of this water out of here. Get as much of it out as I can. Crack the windows. Go get some dinner. Come back and take a look. Probably gonna hit this carpet right here. I did it on the other side. You can't really tell from here, but I'm gonna hit that carpet right there too. Might as well while I'm here. See if I can't bring some life back into it, knock some dust out of it. And then yeah, we'll go from there. Nice and solid. That's just dirt surface rust. This side over here, I'm not trying to move the carpet too much, but it's all good. Nice and solid as she should be. right, that's it. This is as much as I'm gonna do till she sells. She's polished up, looking real nice. Seats are cleaned up, front and back. Carpets. She's waxed up. Hit all the chrome. All the stainless could use a really good polishing, but got the aluminum pretty good.